Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MR English Diaries, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, friends. We are so happy to see you again today.
Please like this video, subscribe to MR English Diaries, and share with your friends.
Yes, like, subscribe, and share right now. Be awesome today. Today was very strange for me.
Oh, really? What happened, James?
First, I woke up late. Very, very late.
Oh, no.
My alarm was ringing, but I was dreaming about pizza.
Pizza is dangerous in dreams.
Yes. When I woke up, the bus was already gone.
Oops.
So I ran. I ran very fast, but the bus ran faster.
Poor James.
Yes. Then I bought coffee. I was very happy, but I dropped it on my shoe.
Not the shoe.
Yes. My shoe was wet, hot, and very angry.
Your shoe was angry?
Yes, it did not talk to me all day.
That sounds like a crazy day.
Yes, but now I feel happy because I am here with you and our friends.
And today, we will help everyone learn how to talk about their day.
Yes, this is very easy and very useful English.
Let's start with a simple question. How was your day?
How was your day?
You can ask this to anyone, friends, family, teachers, everyone. How was your day, James?
It was good.
Perfect answer.
It was good.
You can also say, it was busy.
It was busy.
My day was very busy today.
My day was busy too. I ran a lot.
Now let's talk about the morning. You can say, I woke up early.
I woke up early.
Or you can say, I woke up late.
I woke up late.
That is your true sentence today, James.
Yes, my sentence and my problem.
After you wake up, you can say where you went. I went to work.
I went to work.
I went to school.
I went to school.
Today, I went to work early.
Very good.
Now let's talk about how you feel. I felt tired.
I felt tired.
I felt happy.
I felt happy.
I felt hungry.
I felt hungry.
James, how did you feel after running for the bus?
I felt tired. Very tired. My legs were tired. My face was tired. My soul was tired.
That is very, very tired. Now let's talk about people. You can say, I met my friend.
I met my friend.
Today, I met my friend at work.
That is nice. Today, I met my shoe with coffee again.
Oh no, not again. Now let's talk about food. You can say, I had lunch.
I had lunch.
I had rice for lunch.
I had bread for lunch.
James, what did you have for lunch?
I had coffee and sadness.
Next time, eat real food. Now let's talk about the end of the day. You can say, now I am relaxing.
Now I am relaxing.
You can say, now I am at home.
Now I am at home.
After a long day, I am relaxing.
Me too. I am relaxing with English.
Now let's do a small, real conversation. Hi, James. How was your day?
It was good.
What did you do?
I woke up early. I went to work. I met my friend. I had lunch.
How do you feel now?
I felt tired, but now I am relaxing.
Perfect English, James.
Wow, I sound smart today.
Let's do one more.
Okay, I am ready.
Hi, James. How was your day?
It was busy.
Why was it busy?
I went to work. I met many people. I had lunch late.
How do you feel now?
I feel happy now.
Very nice sentence. Friends, let's review together. How was your day?
It was good.
It was busy.
I woke up early.
I woke up late.
I went to work.
I went to school.
I felt tired.
I met my friend.
I had lunch.
Now I am relaxing.
Perfect. Your English is very good today. Let me tell you one more funny thing from today.
Yes, tell us.
I tried to cook food for my family.
Wow.
I mixed salt and sugar.
Oh no.
My sister tried it and said, "James, is this food or a science experiment?"
And what did you say?
I said, "It is sweet and salty English food."
That is very funny. Now, friends, repeat after me. How was your day?
How was your day?
It was good.
It was good.
I woke up early.
I woke up early.
I went to work.
I went to work.
Now I am relaxing.
Now I am relaxing.
Amazing job.
Yes, you are doing great. Keep going.
Now, tell us in the comments, how was your day today?
Write one simple English sentence. We want to read your comments.
Please like this video, subscribe to MR English Diaries, and share with your friends.
Like it, subscribe now, and share it with everyone you know.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We are very proud of you.
See you next day in MR English Diaries.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care and keep practicing your English.